Hello and welcome. Today you can just easily find orange box on the screen. So it's another movie about Hermes goods, and today I wanna share with you my unboxing of orange shirt because I choose the signature orange as the first polo shirt from Hermes. To be honest, I never have clothes from that brand, from that company. So we will see if it's worth. I love Hermes because they creating and have beautiful perfumes. They have gorgeous styles. Leather goods are also on really high quality level. The price is also something which can be scary for many of you. Also for me, when I see the price, for example, of a coat or sweatshirt or even something to home. Okay, never mind. Let's go with unboxing because the box is really huge. And before I will unbox, or maybe I will unboxing and speak about something which is connected with it, because I saw the few unboxings on the YouTube. Unfortunately, no one make video about clothes from Hermes. You can easily find YouTube videos about Birkin bag, about Kelly bag. Easily you can find something about fragrance from Hermes. Unfortunately, not exclusive. It's only few videos about an exclusive line of perfumes. And guys, if you wanna make the gift for someone who really love Hermes or love luxury things, you can buy the soap bar, because it's also packed with a huge orange box, and it's look gorgeous, and the price is really low if you compare it with other Hermes goods. I think someone who like it will appreciate it. But let's go with unboxing our product. Okay, like always, it's also full of paper and okay, it's like first look on that, guys. I see that product, and I will show you. I will not make it longer than it should be. So let's go. It's wonderful orange shirt, polo shirt. Sorry. And fun fact, it's the signature orange color. Choose it because I think which color I should I should choose. It in that time it was black. It was I think white and orange. And guys, that color is beautiful. It's connected with company, so it's really funny to have the piece of the Hermes Hermes things, Hermes clothes. And when I touching the fabric, it's really soft. I think it's really huge quality, because the fabric it's really like I said, soft, and it look like a huge quality. What about the buttons? The buttons, it could be something more. Maybe I show you, because okay, it looks nice, but it should be something more. They should make something better with that. And also it seems like normal clothes, so it's important because you will not shining the logo brand. You will not shiny like with Gucci t-shirt when you have a huge Gucci brand name on the clothes. And here is like quiet luxury, easily quality, totally. It is worth it. Please share your opinion in comments, because like I said, I never ever have anything to wear from Hermes, like t-shirts, shirts, trousers, etc., etc. So it's important to have your opinion. I hope you try it, or you have friends who wear it, who have something to say about it. So that's all, and I hope you appreciate it, because I just wanted to share with you how it looked like, the unboxing, how it looked like the t-shirt, sorry, polo shirt, and I wanted to share with you that thing, because personally, when I was looking for something like that, I cannot find anything. So I hope if you want to buy it, you just can see the cloth, and you can just thinking about it. For my personal opinion, in the end, it's like it's on good level. It's great, great part of clothes of my wardrobe. I will use it, I will wear it, and if I buy more, like I think it could happen, I will share with you the maybe next videos. Maybe you just can spot it when I will wear it on the videos, and that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.